guys, voiceover time, and here's what you'll need. So you're gonna need some white cake mix. Got Betty Crocker. You're gonna also need a box of yellow fondant. Got it from Amazon, if you're wondering. Also some sprinkles, ShopRite, and the royal, icing. But unfortunately, Amazon doesn't carry that anymore. So yeah, now you're gonna need some little packets of fondant. So I have a white vanilla. As you guys can see, if it'll focus. Have trouble with it focusing, sorry guys. But yeah, and we have a pink, and it's also vanilla flavored. I don't recommend eating fondant at all because it's nothing but straight up sugar. And then of course black, and it's in vanilla flavor as well. So you're gonna need all three of these: a bowl, a cake pan, a cake board. Yes, okay, Shary, damn. And that's it. Alright guys, so you're just gonna follow the instructions on the box. So of course, if you want it white, you're just gonna use egg whites, and of course it's not focusing. Damn it, camera. That's alright. But yeah, self-explanatory. If you guys know how to make box cake mix, there's directions. That's all you're gonna do. So if I can not try to focus this thing, hello, let's get on with the baking. Alright, and we're back. So as always guys, remember, once your cakes are nice and cool, you're just gonna cut them and just cut the tops of it. Make sure everything's nice and even. And did I tell you guys, I am not a professional, so please don't come for me in the comments. I am not a professional. Alright guys, now that you are done with those steps, you're going to go ahead and grab your frosting. How much am I going to use? I don't freaking know. And then you're going to go ahead and grab your spatula, your spoon, whatever you feel like using to spread it around town, okay? Then after that, you're going to go ahead and grab your sprinkles so you can give everyone that nice sprinkle crunchy surprise. Not the eggshell kind, but a nice sprinkly one. And you're just going to continue these steps with as many layers as you guys want to make. I am only doing 2 layers for this cake. So let's get started. Alright guys, so after that you're going to go ahead, grab your fondant, and you're just going to roll this baby and make sure that you stretch it out enough to cover your cake. Once you have it nice and stretched, you're gonna go ahead and cover your cake. Make sure you got it right, guys, and stretch. Alright, so now that you got all that smooth out, you're going to go ahead and get your cutter and you're just going to cut the edges. I know mine is not perfect, but it's okay because I am putting a little pink border, which you guys will see at the end of the video. But yeah, so, you know, just try your best, guys, please. Alright guys, so now it's time for the decorations. I kept it completely simple because again, this is a SpongeBob cake. So all I did was, you know, give them some eyes because SpongeBob has eyes. And, you know, I gave them very cute little eyes. So as you guys can see, so you're just going to need, you know, your whites and a little, I mean, depends on the size. I use a smaller little cutter. I wish I would have did a bigger one, but you know, it doesn't even matter. So you're just gonna grab that and you're gonna go ahead and roll it out, and then just cut it. That's it. And then I did use some of the white to add a little bit blue because I forgot, ding dong, that SpongeBob has blue eyes. So basically that's all I had to do, as you guys can see. So yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and complete SpongeBob's eyes. So like I mentioned, I got the white fondant and got some blue coloring, and I went ahead and just mixed it all up so I can go ahead and make his eyes. What I used to cut it was with a piping tip, a small one, as you guys can see, and I use it to just cut out, you know, a eye, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, there we go. SpongeBob has his blue eye. Alright guys, so for the grand finale, I'm going to go ahead and roll out this pink, and I'm going to use it as a border. I was very uncertain of how I wanted to do it, so you're going to see how confused I was. But As far as the nose, what I did was I did take some of the yellow. I kind of rolled it out into this like little worm-like thing. Took a toothpick, stuck it in the fondant, and went ahead and stuck it on the face. And now SpongeBob has a 3D nose, as you guys can see. So yep, this is how it came about. And I'm gonna go ahead and make him a pink bow because we can have a bow on SpongeBob. Like, who cares, right? It's a birthday party. So there we go. And that is it for this cake. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys.